cycle 3, week 4, and we're doing history. So we're gonna learn the signs for this. Tell me about the Declaration of Independence. In 1776, and it's got a little bit of a beat to this, in 1776, the Continental Congress. Put 2 C's here. Let's take our 2 C's and smush it down when we say publish. Publish. They published the Declaration of Independence. We're going to pretend to write on our hands the Declaration of Independence in Philadelphia. Announcing, you put your hands to your face, they announced the colonist intent to separate, the ASL sign for take apart, separate from England. England is a flat hand, and then you're going to put your hand over it like this. It's going to curve over. In 1776, the Continental Congress published the Declaration of Independence in Philadelphia, announcing the colonist intent to separate from England, to separate from England.